Pruning plants shouldn't be a hassle. The Felco two-hand pruner combines sharp precision and long-lasting durability, making it the top choice for gardeners and hobbyists alike. Just before we get started, don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest deals on this product and other top picks for gardening tools. When it comes to hand pruners, the Felco 2 stands out for good reason. Known for its exceptional quality and precision, this pruner is a favorite among gardening enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're trimming delicate flowers or tackling tougher stems, the Felco 2 delivers clean, effortless cuts every time. With a total length of 9.25 inches and a lightweight design of just 8.8 ounces, it fits comfortably in your hand, even during extended use. The forged aluminum alloy handles are nearly unbreakable, and the plastic coating ensures a comfortable grip that reduces fatigue. Every aspect of its design prioritizes ease of use and durability. The hardened steel blades make all the difference. These bypass-style blades glide smoothly through live branches and stems, delivering a sharp, precise cut that minimizes plant damage. Even after dozens of sharpening sessions, they maintain their edge, proving their resilience over time. A key highlight is its ability to cut through a variety of materials with minimal effort. In testing, it made straight, smooth cuts through everything from 0.25-inch raspberry canes to 0.75-inch buckthorn branches. Even denser materials like wooden dowels and Norway maple branches didn't stand a chance against these blades. Unlike cheaper alternatives, the Felco 2 is fully adjustable and reparable. The center bolt lets you realign the blades whenever needed, ensuring optimal performance. Replacement parts, from blades to springs, are widely available and easy to install, giving this pruner incredible longevity. With proper care, it's not unusual for these tools to last decades. One drawback is its size. Gardeners with smaller hands might find this pruner less comfortable to operate. However, the design still offers a contoured grip and modest open width, which helps reduce strain during repetitive tasks. For larger hands, it's a perfect fit. Another point to note is the growing presence of counterfeit versions on the market. Felco has responded with resources to help buyers confirm authenticity, so purchasing from trusted retailers is essential to avoid knockoffs. The Felco 2 isn't just a pruner, it's an investment in your gardening toolkit. It combines professional-grade precision, reliable performance, and unmatched durability, making it the ultimate choice for hobbyists and avid gardeners. With clean cuts and minimal effort, this tool keeps your plants healthier and your workload lighter. For gardeners with smaller hands, there's another tool that might be perfect for you. Check out the best hand pruner for small hands. It's ready to play on the screen now.